بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. How are you, my students? I hope that you're happy and healthy and ready for today's lesson, which is the form, meaning, function of the Unit 1. But before we do that, let's revise what we previously took. If you remember the word sit calm, it's short for two words. What were they? Very good. Yes, situation, comedy. So it's a comedy show of any sort. Then we took what is sitcom is about. If you see here, sitcom is a situation comedy without an ending. Then we took some exercises here about the sitcom. We read some scripts here. For example, this one between Kevin and Bill regarding the university acceptance and so on. Then we took here the writing corner. When writing a sitcom, you have to focus on these points these points here, for example, to brainstorm ideas about funny scenes that you have experienced, identify what makes them funny, research and read scripts from sitcoms you know to get ideas, picture each scene and write a draft description, focus on the characters and list their characteristics, outline the events in the episode, go back and edit, replace, or add to your material. Give it to someone else to read before you finalize it. So today's objectives for the form meaning function: express wishes, regret, and criticism. So today we'll be learning how to express wishes, regret, and criticism. Express criticism here, use such, that, so, that with adjectives and also with adverbs. Use can't, could, couldn't, must, may, or might to make suppositions. So today we will be learning a lot. So you have to pay attention and focus. So expressing wishes, regret, and criticism. Expressing wishes, regret, and criticism with the verb wish. You see here, we use wish for things that happened in the past that you now regret. We use wish for things that happened in the past that you now regret. You said, I wish I didn't say that. I wish I didn't tell him, and so on. So things, we use wish for things that you did in the past that you now regret. In the past, for example, I didn't see the TV comedian. I didn't see the TV comedian. I wish I had seen the TV comedian. Everyone thought he was so funny. So I wish I had seen the TV comedian. So this happened in the past, and now I'm regretting not seeing the TV comedian. Also here, I couldn't get the joke. I wish I had been able to get the joke. I need time to improve my English. I switched off before the end of the TV show. I wish I hadn't switched off before the end of the show. The ending was supposed to be very good. So you notice here, these are all in the past, and these are all things that you regret doing. Restate using wish. I'm not good at math. I'm not good at math. You could say, I wish I was or I were better at math. I couldn't go to the football last weekend. I couldn't go to the football game last weekend. You say here, very good. I wish I could have gone to the football game last weekend. My friend won't lend me any money. So what do we say here? My friend won't lend me any money. Of course, I say here, I wish my friend would lend me some money. We use wish and if only, wish and only for things that you want to happen now or in the future, but which you know probably won't happen. Again, we use wish and if only for things that you want to happen now or in the future, but which you know probably won't happen. So you wish for things to happen now or in the future, but you know that that won't happen. So let's talk about in the present, in the now. I'm not a big fan of his jokes. I wish I found his jokes funny. I feel down today. I feel down today. I wish I didn't feel down today. I wish I could cheer up. The comedian can't make people laugh. So all of these are in the present. Focus. The comedian can't make people laugh. The comedian wishes he could make people laugh. So all of these examples are in the present. So jumping to the future here. He won't lend me his car. He won't lend me his car. So he refuses to lend me his car. I wish he would lend me his car. So I wish for something here in the future. In the future, I wish that he would lend me his car. My brother will leave for college soon. If only he would stay. So here I'm wishing that my brother would stay. If only, I'm talking about the future here. He, my brother, of course, would stay. So in this example, I'm wishing for my brother to stay, but I know that he will not. Jumping here to expressing criticism. Expressing criticism. Use wish or if only with would to express irritation. You are annoyed here. Irritation or annoyance with a situation or in a particular action of someone else. Again, we use wish or if only. One of these two. Wish or if only with would. With would. To do what? To express irritation or annoyance with a situation or the particular action of someone else. So you are criticizing someone. You are annoyed. I wish he wouldn't use his cell phone in class. So you are criticizing him now. I wish he wouldn't. So we used wish and would here. I wish he wouldn't use his cell phone in class. I wish the children would stop interrupting. I wish the children would stop interrupting. Note here, use if only in the use if only in the place of wish to express a wish, regret, or criticism more emphatically. If only I would stop. If only it would stop raining, I wouldn't feel so depressed. Again, we use if only in the place of wish, to express a wish, regret, or criticism more emphatically. If only it would stop raining, I wouldn't feel so depressed. So here we learned how to express your criticism. When you want to criticize someone, we use wish, or if only, then we use would. Very good. Let's take exercise A here. Use the verb wish to complete the sentences. Use the verb wish, just wish here, to complete the sentences. In some cases, more than one answer is possible. The first one is already done here. Your best friend is a wonderful person, but he or she talks too much. So there's a flaw here. Your best friend is a wonderful person, but he or she talks too much. So you say, I wish that my best friend didn't talk so much. Or you say, I wish that my best friend wouldn't talk so much. So this is what you wish for your best friend. And you can answer the rest of the questions just like we did in the first example. So let's answer them now together. Number one, I feel down. I think the weather is getting to me. It is so cold and wet. Again, I feel down, upset, sad. I think the weather is getting to me. It is so cold and wet. And here he says, I wish. So what does he wish for here? Of course, here there is more than one answer. So what answer did you write? Very good. But let's see another answer here. I wish it wasn't so cold and wet. I wish it wasn't so cold and wet. Very good. Of course, you could say, I wish that the weather wouldn't get to me, and so on. Of course, here there is more than one correct answer, but I have chosen this one. I wish it wasn't so cold and wet. Very good. Number 2, he is stressed and run down. He gets sick easily. Again, he is stressed and run down. He gets sick easily. So what do you think he wishes for here? He wishes, very good. Let's see another answer here. He wishes he wouldn't get sick so easily. So he wishes he wouldn't, I added would here, he wouldn't get sick so easily. You can say, of course, he wishes that he's not stressed and run down. This is also a correct answer. Number 3, your parents won't let you go out tomorrow night. Again, your parents are forbidding you. Your parents won't let you go out tomorrow night. So it's obviously that you wish for what? I wish my parents would what? So let's see the correct answer here. I wish my parents would let me go out tomorrow night. I wish, this is wish here, my parents would, then you continue with the sentence, let me go out tomorrow night. Of course, here we're talking about the future. Something will happen in the future. Number 4, you borrowed your brother's cell phone without asking for permission. Now he is angry. Again, you borrowed your brother's cell phone without asking for permission. So, of course, now your brother is angry. So, what do you wish for here? So, we write number 4. Very good. I wish I hadn't taken my brother's cell phone without asking for permission. I wish I hadn't taken my brother's cell phone without asking permission. Continuing here with number 5, they won't stop laughing. It's annoying me. So this is now in the present. They won't stop laughing. It's annoying me. So what do you wish for here? So I wish they would stop laughing. This is an easy one here. I wish they would stop laughing. Very good. Number 6, you want to buy someone a present, but you don't have enough money. So here we're using if only. If only, we're being emphatic here. You want to buy someone a present, but you don't have enough money. So if only I what? Very good. If only I had enough money to buy that present. You say, if only I had enough money to buy that present. I think this is an easy one. Number 7, everyone watched the TV sitcom last night. They're all talking about it today. You didn't watch it. So this is regretting something in the past. Very good. Everyone watched the TV sitcom last night. So this is the past here. They are all talking about it today. You didn't watch it. So what do you think he wishes for here? I wish, very good. I wish I had watched the TV sitcom. I wish I had, because it's past here. I wish I had watched the TV sitcom. Number 8, the clown was not funny. The children didn't laugh at his jokes. So the clown was not funny. This is past here. The children didn't laugh at his jokes. If only, very good. If only the children would laugh at the clown's jokes. If only the children would laugh at the clown's jokes. Or if you can say, if only the clown was funny. So both are correct answers. Here's a language builder for you. As a verb followed by would, it usually indicates a criticism. So if a verb is followed by would, it is usually indicates criticism. For example, I wish you would be quieter. I wish you would be quieter. So it's almost like a criticism. You are being loud. Followed by an infinitive, which is used to express what the speaker wants to do. If it's followed by an infinitive, it is usually wish here is used to express what the speaker wants to do. For example, I wish to speak to him. I wish to speak. This is the infinitive here, to speak to him. Also, this is a more formal. Also here, this is more formal than I would like to speak to him. So using the infinitive is more formal than using would. So examples here, it is very hot today. It is hot. We can't go outside. So what do you think the correct words to fill the gaps here? It is very hot today. It is hot. We can't go outside. So yes, we say it is so hot that we can't go outside. It is so hot. It is so hot. So what's the result here? That we can't go outside. The second sentence, it is a hot day. Notice here the letter A. It is a hot day. We must have the air conditioning unit switched on in the classroom. So very good. It is such a hot day that we must have the air conditioning unit switched on in the classroom. So you notice here the effect here. The effect is that we are turning on the air conditioning. And what's the cause? Because it is a hot day. And also here it is so hot. This is the cause. What's the effect? We can't go outside. So and such make the meaning of an adjective or adverb stronger. So and such make the adjective stronger. So that and such that are used to show cause and effect. Just like we said earlier, it shows cause and the effect of this cause. Such that, so that. Such and so make the meaning of an adjective or adverb stronger, just as we mentioned earlier. Such that and so that are used to show cause and effect. Let's take some examples here and notice the form. Such plus the adjective, then the noun, then that. So such, then the adjective, noun, and that. The new TV sitcom is such a funny show that everyone in my class watches it. The new TV sitcom is such a funny, this is the adjective here, show, this is the noun. Then the word that, everyone in my class watches it. Also, so plus the adjective or adverb plus that. So the form of so here, so, adjective or adverb, then that. There's no noun in so. The comedian was so amusing. So amusing, this is the adjective here. So what's the result of him being amusing? What's the effect? That he had everyone in stitches. That he had everyone in stitches. We laughed so much that we had tears in our eyes. This is the cause, and this is here the effect. Why did we have tears in our eyes? Because we laughed so much. We laughed so much that we had tears in our eyes. So I think this is an easy task here. He is so fast that he won the race. He ran so fast that he won the race. So we here so plus the adjective or the adverb, then that. He is so fast. So this is here an adjective. He ran so fast. So fast here is describing how did he run. He ran so fast. So this is here is an adverb. He has so many books that he can hardly carry them I have so much homework that I can't go out tonight. Also here, so plus many or much, noun, and plus that. Also the third one here, it was such a difficult test that none of the students did well. It was such a difficult test. So what's the result? That none of the students did well. Here is such, then the adjective difficult, then the noun test, then the that, and the rest of the sentence. Can't, could, couldn't, must, may, or might. Use can't, must, may, or might to make suppositions, to speculate about something, and to draw conclusions. Again, we use can't, must, may, or might to make suppositions. Suppositions, like to try to speculate something about something, and to draw conclusions. Use must to say we are sure of something. We use can't or couldn't to say that we think something is impossible. We use may or might or could to say that something is possible. So again, we use must when we are sure about something. We use can't or couldn't to say that something is impossible. You can't be serious. It's impossible that you are serious. Then we use may, might, or could to say something is possible. For example, here, the story about the green aliens can't be true. It's impossible that it's true. It might be a prank. It must be April 1st. This is, of course, the present. The story about the green aliens can't have been true. It might have been a prank. It must have been April 1st. This is the past. Notice the difference in the present and the past forms. Here we said can't be. Here we said can't have been. It might be, might have been, must be. Then we said here must have been. So we use must when you are sure about something, can't or couldn't when something is impossible, may or might or could when something is possible. We use can't or couldn't to say that we think something is impossible, and must we say when we are sure of something. For example, it can't be rain. There isn't a cloud in the sky. It must be the neighbor. She's watering the plants on her balcony. We use may or might for speculations and possibilities. So exercise B here, match the sentences, then use these ideas to write the whole sentence with so, that, or such that. For example, the first one, I'm having such a good time. This is the effect here, that I don't want to go home. I'm having such a good time. Here, I'm having a good time. So number one is obviously very good with the letter D. I don't want to go home. So number two, the food was spicy. What's the correct answer here? Very good. It's the letter A. So what's the sentence here? That's correct. The food was so spicy that it burned my mouth for half an hour after eating it. The food was so spicy. This is the cause. The effect, it burned my mouth. Very good. Number three, Emma is a popular name. Emma is a popular name. So the answer is F. There are 4 girls in the class with that name. It's a popular name. So the sentence would be, yes, Emma is such a popular name that there are 4 girls in the class with that name. Jumping to number 4, the school is selective. The school is selective. Very good. With the letter C, they only accept 1 student for every 100 applications. Very good. So the sentence here would be what? Yes, the school is so selective that they only accept one student for every 100 applications. Very good. Number 5, the company received many complaints. So the answer here is what? Very good. It's the letter G. They had to recall the product. So the sentence would be, the company received so many complaints. So what's the result here? They had to recall the product. Number 6, my brother has won many sports trophies. So what's the effect? This is the cause. What's the effect? Very good. B, we've had to build a shelf to put them out. So this is the cause and this is the effect. Now joining them together, my brother has won so many sports trophies that we've had to build a shelf to put them on. Number 7, which with the letter E, you have made a big meal. We'll never be able to finish it all. So we say you have made such a big meal that we will never be able to finish it. Very good. Exercise C here, write sentences to speculate about the situations. Use can't, couldn't, could, must, may, or might in your sentences. Look at the picture, the situations, page 17. The boys look worried. They must have smashed the window. They must have smashed the window. So number 1, fans happy. So let's see the answer here. The fans look happy. Their team must have won the game. They can't have lost. Very good. Number 2, Nawal angry. Look at the picture. Try to speculate here. So the answer would be, very good. Nawal looks angry. She may never stop shouting. Her daughter must have done something terrible. So this is must have done. We're talking in the past here, of course. Parents sad. Number 3. So we say here, his parents are sad. He must be going to college. He must be going to college. This is the future here. Number 4, officer surprised. Very good. The officer is surprised. The boy might, we're speculating here, might have crashed into him. And with that, we reach the end of this lesson. See you next lesson, inshallah. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum.